This is a 93 Dodge Dakota with the key on. The fan does not work for the heater air AC. To find out what was wrong with it, I first checked the fuse for the heater blower, which is under here. Just look in the manual, see which is the fuse. The fuse was good, so then I took a voltmeter and I tested to see that it's getting 12 volts, and it is. These Dakotas have a heater resistor right here, and one of these will be live, and then the other ones are grounds, and depending on what speed setting the fan is on, it changes which ground is connected to the power. But this was all good, and this all worked. So then I took this trim piece off so I could get to the wiring connector for the heater. It's that green wire and black wire. I unhooked that. I pulled it out the bottom. I got some test lines in there. I connected that to my voltmeter, and then I cycled the fan switch. And I did get some voltage reading. I have this used fan from, I think, a GM. Anyways, it's and what I did is I connected it. No, this is difficult with one hand. I can't hold the... Yeah, you see it works? Yeah, so this one needs a new fan motor. And to change it on this Dakota, you have to take this trim piece off, take this piece off below the steering column, and on each side you take this trim off, and there's a nut on each side to loosen the dash. And then you have to take all of these along the top off, and then you pull this out. You don't have to take it all the way off, but you have to pull it out enough so you can get in from the side here, because the box, this here has to come off. This is part of the plastic heater housing box. There's screws along here and then on the top. It's a mess to take it out. The newer trucks, they changed. The fan is in it like this, inside there. The newer ones, they changed it from the bottoms, and you can just take it right out. You don't have to mess with taking the dash apart. But I just thought I'd make this video showing you what to check to see why your heater fan isn't working. You know, the easiest thing to check at first is the fuse. And then on this Dakota, the next easiest is this resistor. I have had Dakotas where this resistor burned out. but usually that will it might work in low, not in high, or it might work in high and medium, not low. Usually one of the speeds burns out, or maybe multiple, but this one, everything is in good shape. Thanks for watching.